Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says select the correct match and choose from the code. Option A, that is you can say A, IUT, and for that they have given one property. Then B says birth control, and for that they have given two contraceptive creams. And C says spermicides, and for that they have given three VD or RTI. And D says STD, that is for that they have given four infertility. And they have also given A, B, C, D, that is, these are the codes among which or from which we are supposed to choose the correct answer. So now let us talk about A, that is A says IUT. So what do you mean by IUT? That is nothing but intrauterine transfer. So what is this intrauterine transfer for? It is actually to treat infertility. Okay, infertility. How? Because as the name indicates, it says intrauterine transfer. So they actually transfer embryo, that is the in vitro formed embryo, into uterus of the female. Okay, so as to help them in case of if at all they are undergoing any infertility issue, where the fertilization cannot occur or embryo formation cannot occur, then in vitro formed embryo will be transferred within the uterus. Okay, so this is, let us see. So this is treated for infertility. So A will match up with infertility. That is nothing but A will match up with 4. Okay. Now option B or the B1, it says birth control. So what do you mean by birth control? Birth control is nothing but a contraceptive method. Okay, contraceptive method by which control of the birth of the baby can be it can occur. Okay, so let us see here. There are two things which can match. One is copper T and other one is contraceptive creams, because both are contraceptive in nature. So anything can be can be matched up with birth control. But let us see the others and then we will decide what should come in. Okay, so option C says, or you can say the C1 says, spermicide. So what do you mean by spermicide? Spermicides are the chemicals or the components which have killing effect on the sperm. So these, what do? They kill the sperms. Okay. So there are various products, like you have various jellies, jellies which are available, creams are available, and foams are available, okay, which have spermicidal effect. Okay. So of course, this also a method of birth control. So since we are having examples of creams, so we can say it is option that is 2, that is contraceptive cream. So C will go well with the 2, okay, and hence if this is gone with C, then we can consider copper T with B. Okay, so copper T is with B. Okay, so what is copper T? Copper T, they actually release copper T. They release what? They release copper ions, and these copper ions have spermicidal effect, as well as they can reduce the motility of the sperm. Okay, so that is the correct match. Now the last one, which says D, it has written as STD. So what is STD? STD is nothing but sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so you have various diseases like HIV, you have syphilis. Okay, syphilis. These are all sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so these sexually transmitted diseases are also called as venereal diseases. Okay, or you can also call it as VD diseases, or you can also call it as reproductive tract infection. Reproductive tract infection. Okay, so that is nothing but RTI. Okay, so you can say that STD can go well with the third option, which is VD and RTI. So D will go with what? That is third one. So A is 4, B is 1, C is 2, D is 4. So which among the options is having A is 4? So A is 4, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3. So this is the correct option. Okay, so let us conclude. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.